Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable voice input speech to text on keyboard. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open up your keyboard. So press, I'm here in the search bar of Google, press on that. Now you will see at the top right corner this uh, settings wheel. Click on that and then scroll down to the search for voice typing. So click on that and you enable that. If you have option, you just need to enable it. When you do that, go back to here and click on the top right corner for the microphone that you will see. Now if I press here, hello, now I can, if I press again on microphone, now I can just with speaking search for um, what I want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.